Hello, good evening to everyone. It's me, Sanit again. Welcome back to my channel. Good evening to everyone. This is our project this evening. So, please join me until the project is done. So, this is our materials. Ano po? Ito lamang po yung ating materials na gagamitin. This is our materials. We have pink elastic garter and green elastic garter because we use the green beads. This is malachite and this is tourmaline stone. Ano po, quite expensive but is beautiful po, is good quality. Ano po, ito po yung ating mga bracelet na gagawin ngayong gabi. So please join me until the project is done. This is how I make my project. This one, I separated the color from dark to light, and after that I put some gold to insert and finish the product. So this is how I start my project this evening. So please join me to this project until the project is done. Ito po yung ating project ngayong gabi. That's why hinati-hati po natin in the same number, the same color, and the same amount of beads sa elastic band to create our bracelet. So this is how I separated the project this evening. So yeah, it's very nice color and a lot of patience because the holes of these beads is quite tiny or small. Yeah, so you put some patience on it. So let's continue until the project is done. Just insert it one by one like this. Continue until all our beads is inserted to the yarn. Yan lang po yung ating gagawin. I-separate po yung isang string ng ating yarn, ng ating beads para maging even yung color. And even din yung ating numbers of beads. Okay? Now we set aside this one. After we separated the color evenly. Yeah, the color is even number, also the same number and the same color. After we separated this one, we set aside so that we finish this other one first. That's how I divided the beads like that nicely. So gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo kung paano ko sineparate yung ating mga beads according sa color niya, according sa number niya, ganun po. So kung ano po yung arrangement ng pagkabili namin, I do it the same, but yun nga po, a lot of patient ka kasi i-divide mo siya in the same color, in the same amount of numbers. Yeah. So that's how we look. So ngayon, i-divide din po natin ito. I-divide din po natin siya doon sa isang how we make the beads properly. So ayan po, gagawin po natin dito, i-divide din natin uli siya para mag-even po yung number niya. Ano po? Divide po natin to, ang isang bracelet po ay magkakameron po ng 22 beads. I mean 24 beads po yung isang bracelet. So yung left and right niya is 12. The left is 12, the right is 12. So total is 24. So that's the arrangement of our bracelet now. So let's continue. Yung butas po ay napaka small siya, very tiny. So ang gagawin po natin dito ay gagawa tayo ng leader yarn. Ano po, gagawa po tayo ng maliit na ganito para ma-guide lang po yung ating elastic garter. Use the fishing nylon, but now this evening I don't have any available fishing nylon, so I use thread. Linagyan ko lang po ng glue. I put some glue on the top so that is a little bit hard, so that the elastic garter have a guide to put inside. Ito lang po yung ginawa ko, kailangan natin ng guide, po, kasi hindi natin ito mailalagay, yung elastic natin is a little bit big. And gagamit po tayo ng dalawa for maganda po yung outcome, matibay, po. So, gagamit tayo ng guide niya para mapasok po, So, ngayon we put the beads one by one now. So, ayan po. So, ibuhol lang po natin ito kasi hindi natin mai-insert talaga yan kung hindi natin gagawa ng paraan, po. So, ibuhol lang natin to. We make a square knot on this side. That you can see. Yan. We just put some square knot like that so that the beads won't come out. And be sure this one is inserted. Ganon, na-insert po siya. So, we put this one by one. So, ayan po, patient lang po tayo. Ito na po, pag may guide, madali na nating maipasok. Po? Ayan. Kasi may kahirapan po, kasi pag linagay natin, ayan po, dalawang elastic garter po yan. This is our project. Ito na po yung ating project nang natapos. Our project is done. So you can see our project is nice, beautiful, and this stone is very nice, and maganda pong quality yung ating stone na ginamit dito. So ito po yung ating project nang natapos. Pagkatapos natin ng after we inserted our elastic garter. Yung elastic garter po natin ay pinolo po natin yung kulay ng ating mga beads. So, meron tayong green and pink na yarn o yung ating elastic garter. Elastic garter lang po yung ginamit natin dito. Po? So, yan po yung outcome ng ating product na ginawa. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama at maraming salamat po sa panunood. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.